Hello everyone, this is Dusty McKenzie from Cabrillo College. I will be your instructor for Anthropology 7 this semester, Native Cultures of North America. Now I've posted this video to say hello, so hi, to introduce myself and to provide some critical information about how this class is organized and structured. The first thing that we need to address is the fact that although this class was, and I guess technically still is, an in-person class, a real-life, face-to-face course, the administration at Cabrillo College has moved the first 4 weeks of this class to Canvas, to an online platform, because of the current surge of COVID cases in Santa Cruz County. So for the next 4 weeks, students can expect to use Canvas to access learning materials and to engage in class assessments. So once you're done watching this incredibly informative video, read the rest of the information on the homepage and then proceed by clicking the modules button either on this side or that side of your computer screen. You'll start with Module 0. Module 0 contains some important orientation information about structure and organization, as well as a list of services Cabrillo provides to our students. The first learning module will be Module 1. The learning modules are 2 weeks long each. Module 1 begins on January 24th and ends on February 6th. This module focuses on exploring the origins of indigenous peoples in the Americas. More specifically, we'll compare and contrast the scientific archaeological data with the oral traditions of Native communities themselves. At the end of that module, on or before February 6th, students are responsible for 2 graded assessments. They'll need to write and submit a 1-page essay that focuses on comparing and contrasting oral tradition and science, and they'll also need to post to a discussion board, a graded discussion board about the same topic. Once we're done with Module 1, students will proceed to Module 2, the next 2-week-long learning module that will be focused on Native American identity, stereotypes, and cultural appropriation. That should bring us to around February 22nd to 24th. At that time, hopefully, fingers crossed, our administration will allow us to go back in the classroom. If and when that happens, students will be responsible for meeting during our regular class time and date, which is every Tuesday from 6 to 9 in room number 432, where we'll have lectures, classroom-based discussions and learning activities, and guest speakers. All right, so during our online period, this class will operate completely asynchronously, which means that students will not be responsible for attending real-life Zoom meetings. Instead, I have already posted all the learning materials and assignments to Canvas. Students will have 2 weeks to review the learning materials and engage in those assignments. They can move at their own pace as long as the assignment deadlines are met. All right, it's important to note that students don't have to spend any money on this course, or at least on learning materials. They're all posted for free on Canvas. If you have any difficulty accessing those from an accessibility issue, please reach out to me and we can troubleshoot together. All right, a couple other important things. Maybe the most important is students should know that I am not a Native person. I don't have indigenous DNA. I wasn't raised culturally as Native. I feel like this class could and would be much different if it was taught by an indigenous instructor. Now, to get around that, that problem or that issue, we are going to be watching documentary films made by indigenous peoples, starring indigenous peoples. We'll be watching and listening to interviews of indigenous peoples and have Native guest lectures that will all provide a Native voice to this class. So anyways, I'm really looking forward to meeting you all, both online and in person. I'm here for you. If you need any additional information or require clarification that will allow you to succeed, don't hesitate to contact me. You can contact me via email. You can attend office hours. If you can't attend office hours, I'm really flexible. We can arrange another time to Zoom or to have a phone call. And once we're back in person, I will be having scheduled in-person office hours as well. Take care, and yeah, we'll talk to you soon. Boop.